Getting you some breaking news inputs now from Tamil Nadu, and a Chennai city civil court has dismissed a petition filed by VK Sasikala challenging a decision passed by the General Council of AIADMK removing her as the General Secretary of the party. EPS and OPS had in fact filed a plea saying that Sasikala has no locus standi to claim herself to be the General Secretary of the AIADMK as she has been expelled from the party. Shilpa now joins me for more. Shilpa, this is a big relief for EPS and OPS.
Well, absolutely big relief for AIADMK leaders, EPS and OPS, because a Chennai City Civil Court has now dismissed a plea filed by VK Shashikala challenging a resolution that was passed by the AIADMK in 2017, which removed her as the General Secretary of the party. Now, EPS and OPS had also filed a plea saying that VK Shashikala has no locus standi to claim herself to be the General Secretary because she was expelled from the party. And the case, of course, went on in the City Civil Court, and today the court pronounced its order and they've dismissed the plea that was filed by VK Shashikala, who challenged her removal as the General Secretary of the AIADMK. So clearly this is big relief for EPS, especially because he is someone who's been firmly resisting any attempts of VK Shashikala to come back into the party. He's categorically said that there is no question of VK Shashikala being taken back into the party, even though OPS has time and again shown some kind of soft corner towards Shashikala. EPS has been very firm on his stand, and in fact he was the one who put his foot down and said that there is no question of bringing her back to the party. And now, of course, a city civil court has ruled in favor of the plea that was filed by EPS and OPS. And VK Shashikala, of course, reacted to this court order just a short while back. She is, of course, on a tour. And she said that they will be challenging the court order in the higher court. And that, of course, is the initial reaction coming in from VK Shashikala's camp, that they will be challenging this order because VK Shashikala claims that the way in which she was removed was illegal. She had challenged the General Council resolution that was passed, of course. But the AIADMK, on the other hand, says she has no locus standi to call herself the General Secretary because she was expelled from the party.